At Megabus, we're doing everything we can to help keep you safe. To help us, please wear face coverings when in coach stations, at coach stops and when travelling on our coaches. For both yours and our drivers' safety, they'll be wearing full PPE whilst carrying out loading and unloading. Please maintain social distancing at all times with both our drivers and other passengers. Please also keep to your own allocated seat. To help with the loading and unloading of your luggage, please clearly label your luggage with your destination. If you don't have a seat reservation, you'll be allocated a seat when boarding. Please follow your driver's instructions at all times, as they're there to help you. Please use the antibacterial stations you'll see on our coaches, as they are there to keep you and others safe. We've limited the number of seats on board to allow for social distancing. We've increased the level of cleaning on our coaches, and you'll even see our drivers doing their bit to keep things clean. We're all getting used to this new way of travelling, so please be patient when getting on and off the coach and ensure you maintain social distancing at all times. For more information about the measures in place on Megabus, please visit megabus.com.